Yes, good morning students, class 1. Today we will start here lesson 3, parts of a computer. In this chapter we studied about main parts of computers like monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse, and additional devices connected to computer like printer, scanner, speakers, headphones, etc. Okay, now here is, as we different parts our body, a computer also have many parts. All these parts work together to do any work on a computer. Means example of our human body. Example of human body means our body parts are performing different types of the work. Suppose our nose smell, okay, eyes to view, and our ears to hear or listen. Okay, every body part is doing their work. But same in computer also. This is monitor, CPU, mouse, keyboard. Keyboard and mouse, these are called the input device. Why this is? Because we enter data through these devices. And this is a monitor. Monitor displays result. Okay, and this is a CPU. CPU means main processing done, all the processing done by this unit. So CPU is called the brain of the computer. Okay, now here is main parts of a computer. Here a monitor looks like a television. We can see movies and cartoons on it. It shows the work that we do on computer. Means suppose you type some keys from keyboard, then it will display on your monitor, right? Now this is printer. Means you want to view result on monitor and take printout also on printer. When you take result on printer, that is called hard copy, and result on monitor screen, that is a soft copy. Next is CPU. CPU, main full form of CPU is a central processing unit. CPU is the brain of a computer. It present inside the CPU box. Means processor inside the CPU box. It helps a computer to think on and work according to the given orders. Means computer is not a magic box, it works according to user instruction. Okay, next is a keyboard. Keyboard is also input device. You must have seen mobile, a Casio and a calculator. Okay, keyboards are there. In mobile, this is your keypad. Casio, this is also keys. Do you find any common of these picture? Means हमारे पास common क्या है? ठीक है, yes, all of them have keypad. हर एक का क्या है? कीपैड है. ठीक है, कीबोर्ड का तो है ही कीबोर्ड. ठीक है, क्योंकि कीबोर्ड से हम एंटर करते हैं डाटा. ओके, एंड ऑल्सो दिस इज कैलकुलेटर, कीपैड, एंड कैसियो कीपैड, एंड हियर इज मोबाइल ऑल्सो कीपैड. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट इज mouse. A mouse is a computer mouse, looks like a real mouse. It has two buttons. This is called a mouse. This is left button and this is a right button, and this middle button is called a scroll button. Okay, you can also see this one also. Okay, this one your left button, this is your right button, and this middle one is for a scrolling. Okay, this is a mouse, right? Additional devices connected to a computer also, like printer. Okay, suppose you want to take some print. Okay, then you want a printer to print a page. Printed copies is called the hard copies. Next are scanners. Scanners is a machine that read text or pictures printed on paper and store them into computer. Okay, scanner means suppose you have scanner, you put your page you want to insert into computer. Okay, suppose आपके पास कोई पिक्चर है, आप उसको कंप्यूटर में लाना चाहते हो, देन वन मेथड आप क्लिक करते हो मोबाइल से और डाटा केबल लगा के कंप्यूटर में हम इसको इंसर्ट कर लेते हैं कॉपी. सेकेंड मेथड विद द हेल्प ऑफ द स्कैनर वी कैन स्कैन आवर पिक्चर. ठीक है, स्कैनर की पिक्चर फोटो कैसे होता है, लाइक अ फोटोकॉपियर मशीन. ठीक है, फोटोकॉपियर में जैसे हम पेपर रखते हैं स्कैन होता है, प्रिंट आउट बाहर आ जाता है. ओके, बट इन स्कैनर जो हम पेज स्कैनर के अंदर इंसर्ट करते हैं, स्कैनर उसको स्कैन करता है, देन वो डिस्प्ले कहाँ पे होता है, मॉनिटर पे. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज अ स्पीकर्स. स्पीकर्स आर यूज्ड टू लिसन म्यूजिक और एनी साउंड स्टोर्ड ऑन अ कंप्यूटर. they come in pairs and they are connected to the CPU through cable. मीन्स स्पीकर्स क्या होते हैं, जिससे हम कुछ भी म्यूजिक सुन सकते हैं, लिसन कर सकते हैं. ठीक है, ये 2 पार्ट्स में होता है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज हेडफोन्स. हेडफोन्स आर वॉर ओवर द ईयर्स. ठीक है, मीन्स हेडफोन लगा के आप कोई भी म्यूजिक सुन सकते हो. ठीक है, तो कोई भी बात आप शेयर कर सकते हो. ठीक है, तो मीन्स वो लिसनिंग के काम कर सकते हो. They are used to listen to music or any sound shared on a stored on a computer. Means जो कंप्यूटर पे स्टोर है आप उसको कुछ को भी सुन सकते हो. ठीक है, now next is your third chapter complete. Okay, all of you know about the parts of the computer. Here are 3 parts of the computers: monitor, keyboard and CPU. But now we can say 4 parts. Mouse is also here. Okay, 4 parts. And this is printer, scanner. These are the additional devices, right? Okay, all of you learn full form of CPU. Write in your notebook full form of CPU, Central Processing Unit. Okay, next is your back exercise of this lesson is you have to fill up this question you will do in your book. Okay, not in your notebook. And next question, true false, this is also you will do in your book, not in notebook. And next also jumble words, also this question you will do in a book. Okay, and D part, tick the right answer, also do in your book. And next is here one word answer, this question you will do in your notebook. Okay, now here after this video I will send you picture of this lesson also. Okay, what is used to type letters, numbers or words. ठीक है, हम क्या यूज करते हैं, ठीक है, टाइप करने के लिए, ठीक है, लेटर टाइप करने के लिए, नंबर्स के लिए. ठीक है, हम क्या यूज करते हैं, राइट हियर कीबोर्ड. ओके, विच पार्ट ऑफ अ कंप्यूटर हेल्प टू ड्रॉ पिक्चर. ठीक है, कौन सा पार्ट है कंप्यूटर का, ठीक है, माउस, जिसकी हेल्प से हम पिक्चर्स को ड्रॉ करते हैं. नेम द डिवाइस दैट इज वोर ओवर द ईयर टू लिसन म्यूजिक. मतलब हम कौन सा इंस्ट्रूमेंट यूज करते हैं जिसकी हेल्प से आप म्यूजिक सुनते हो, दैट इज कॉल्ड हेडफोन्स. ओके, विच डिवाइस हेल्प टू रीडिंग टेक्स्ट और पिक्चर फ्रॉम अ प्रिंटेड ऑन अ पेपर. मतलब किसकी हेल्प से, कौन से डिवाइस की हेल्प से प्रिंटेड पेज को कंप्यूटर के अंदर हम इंसर्ट करते हैं, दैट इज योर स्कैनर. Okay, right? All of you do this question in your notebook. Okay, thank you students. We will continue our lesson next in our next class, and here is worksheet. This will do in our next class also. Worksheet, this is based on chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3. Okay, we can do after 3rd chapter. I will send you question marks of fill in the blanks, multi choice question to you. Okay, in your group also and snap work also. Okay, thank you students.